So before you get caught up in the hype of asking me, should you buy these or buy the previous generation Pixel Buds, let's talk about the Pixel Bud A's for just a little bit. These things are absolutely comfortable to use, just like the Pixel Buds previous generation. So the Pixel Bud A's obviously is for a more affordable reach to a wider market. Your questions answered directly. Yes, they feel exactly like the other Pixel Buds that I have here, and they sound phenomenal, just like the Pixel Bud too. So you're getting two different colors, pretty much. You're getting two different colors, and if you want to really do a side by side, go to the store.google.com, and just click on the Pixel Bud A's, and then there's a little tab up there that says compare. Google has answered this question for you. They list out all the things that are different between the two. And honestly, you're not missing out much, and you're actually saving a little bit of cash by going with the Pixel Bud A's. In the ear, they feel really good, they sound really good, and the things, again, that they don't have, I think if a person doesn't have Pixel Buds, they don't know what they're missing. And even the people who have the Pixel Buds previous to this, you're really not missing out much, because not having a few things to lower the price to half of what you're paying is a total win. So I've tested out both earbuds, and to me, they didn't sacrifice sound quality. That is something that happens sometimes when you have two products from the same company and one costs less than the other. They tend to sacrifice something really major, i.e. changing a processor, making it run slower, blah, 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 less RAM, all these types of things. That is something that Google is not doing with the Pixel Bud A's. Now, Google did send me these over, and I appreciate them sending them over, but I actually bought a pair too. I didn't know these were coming until I saw, hey, I was like, whoa, wait. So not gonna return the other ones. Maybe I'll give a gift to you, since Google gave a gift to me. It's only fair, right? Pay it forward. So look out for something like that online or in the channel. Maybe I'll give away the Pixel Buds that I purchased. I won't open them, but this is getting good, folks. This is getting good. Google has decided to, and just to be clear, the Pixel Buds that I've been using previously to this, they sound fantastic. I've always loved them. When I first got them, I didn't think the sound was that great, but I got a software update and it fixed everything. And I've never had any connection issues, sound quality issues, the highs, the lows, the mids, the bass, everything is there. I love having the Pixel Buds. And the connection obviously works flawlessly with Pixel devices, but if you open these up to any Android device, from what I've seen, it'll pop up. If you get the same prompt, you'll just have to do the same install and everything, and you'll be fine. So Team Pixel, I'm sure you got a gift from Google. I'll do a follow-up for these later on down the line, but for now, the Pixel Bud A's are really good. And I think that if you ordered these, you'll be pleased. You'll be pleased, especially if you've never heard the first ones. Like, if you never heard these, you're fine. You're hearing the same quality. And I can guarantee you that Google did not sacrifice quality sound by cutting these to 99 bucks. They didn't. That's the honest to God truth. They didn't. These sound fantastic, just like the other Pixel Buds I use. So if you're thinking about getting these, if you're on the fence, just buy them. Especially if you have a Google product. You see how easy it is to set them up. Open it up next to the product, boom, it starts to go on its own. Pair it within a matter of seconds. That is what you want. So, Pixel Bud A's, I think you're gonna like these. See you in the next video. Take care.